This week, Sidney Sweeney keeps building her car girl empire. Jaguar's rebrand goes off the rails. Honda pulls the plug on full EV. And Kia stunts Ferrari on the strip. Let's break it all down. Lock in, let's roll. This is Dub Weekly. The Sidney Sweeney isn't just starring in hit shows, she's becoming car girl certified. Through her Ford partnership, she's been tuning up her vintage Mustang, off-roading in a Bronco, and leading an Auto 101 series that teaches car basics, especially aimed at women. She even co-designed the custom 2024 Mustang GT with robin's egg blue paint and a heart bolt badge. Ford built two, one for her, one for a giveaway. Add in her Dickies workwear collab, and Sidney's clearly in her gearhead era. Meanwhile, an old video of her at the gun range resurfaced online, right as controversy swirled right around her American Eagle ad and political affiliation. She hasn't responded, but the buzz hasn't slowed her momentum. Whether it's under the hood or on the trail, Sidney's just keeping it moving. Jaguar tried to flip the script, but the internet flipped right back. The brand just unveiled a dramatic rebrand aimed at going fully electric by 2026. Out with the leaping cat, in with the minimalist wordmark and surreal ad featuring a pig concept car, without an actual car. The public wasn't feeling it, and neither was Donald Trump. He called the ad a total disgrace and falsely claimed Jaguar CEO resigned in disgrace. What actually happened? CEO Adrian Mardell did retire, but that was already in motion. Disgrace Group CFO PB Balaji is stepping in to lead the relaunch. Despite JLR posting strong profits, Jaguar's numbers are rough. European sales dropped 97.5% in April, and global volume is down 85% since 2018. This was supposed to be a reintroduction, but it turned into damage control. That just hit a hard U-turn on its electric future. Reporting a 50% drop in quarterly profits, with nearly $730 million in EV-related losses and $800 million in U.S. tariffs. The brand scrapped plans for its big three-row electric SUV and slashed $20 billion in EV investments. Instead, Honda's going hybrid, launching 13 new models by 2031. A top exec said it straight. Our goal is carbon neutral, not battery electric investment. Clear shift, and not just for Honda. Across the industry, automakers are quietly stepping back from aggressive EV timelines as sales plateau and consumer demand softens. What happens when the $65,000 Kia takes on a $395,000 Ferrari in the head-to-head drag race? If you guess the Ferrari wins, you're dead wrong. In a recent Car Wow showdown, the all-electric Kia EV6 GT smoked the Ferrari Purosangue in multiple races. Yes, the Ferrari's rocking a V12 with more horsepower, but the Kia's instant torque and electric powertrain gave it the edge every time. Despite weighing more and costing a fraction of the price, the EV6 GT held its own and then some. It's a clear sign. EVs are rewriting the rules of performance. Speed doesn't have to come with the six-figure badge anymore. And gave up on this week's episode of Dub Weekly. Before we go, you already know, we gotta hit you with that crash of the week.